Did you know that well-known investor Warren Buffett has a Tesla bet? It is no secret that Tesla has almost as many supporters as detractors. Watch this space to see what Buffett has in store for the top electric vehicle manufacturer. Anything or anybody renowned has the blessing of many fans and the curse of many detractors. Tesla, the top electric car manufacturer today, is no exception. Some people think the idea is fantastic, but others are not so sure. Watch today's video to learn why Warren Buffett is betting against Tesla. Firstly, what makes Warren Buffett's wager against Tesla significant? And who is he? American philanthropist, investor, and business tycoon Warren Edward Buffett. At the moment, he serves as chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, the parent company of over 60 businesses, including the restaurant chain Dairy Queen, the battery manufacturer Duracell, and the insurance Geico. As of June 2022, he ranked 5th in the world's wealthiest list and was one of the most successful investors in the world, with a net worth of over $113 billion. Buffett, who was born in Omaha in 1930, showed an early interest in investing in the business world, particularly the stock market. The American congressman's son, he made his first stock purchase at age 11 and his first tax filing at age 13. He and Bill Gates established the Giving Pledge in 2010, which calls on billionaires to pledge to give away at least half of their fortune to philanthropic organizations. One of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett, is referred to as the Oracle of Omaha. Editor-in-Chief Andy Sir of Yahoo Finance questioned Buffett about Tesla and its CEO, Elon Musk, during a sit-down interview in 2020. Buffett responded, "Well, I think you're trying to bait me a little bit," with utmost caution. He has accomplished some amazing feats. Buffett continued, saying that when Musk signed up for the Giving Pledge a few years prior, he actually met Musk in person. As previously stated, Buffett and former Microsoft CEO Bill Gates launched the Giving Pledge, a campaign designed to persuade the richest people on the planet to contribute the majority of their fortune to charitable endeavors. I've only met him once or twice, but yeah, I've talked with him, but not for quite a while. Buffett commented of Musk. Upon being asked if he would purchase Tesla stock, Buffett replied, "No." Nevertheless, since Buffett has never made investments in companies like Alphabet Inc. or Netflix Inc., Tesla investors shouldn't take it personally. Though Berkshire has never made an investment in Tesla, it should be mentioned that as of the end of 2021, the business owned $2.02 billion in stock in General Motors and $6.01 billion in Chinese electric vehicle stock by business object. Recently, Charlie Rose, the CBS anchor, ousted due to sexual harassment claims, made public an interview with Warren Buffett. In the interview, Buffett gives Musk credit for his achievements at Tesla. Elon didn't. Clearly, he's competing against companies like General Motors, Ford, and Toyota, all of these heavyweights, and he's succeeding because he has an idea that is the United States. It cannot be imagined. It's incredible, Buffett exclaimed. Regarding Musk, he's previously criticized Buffett, labeling his value investing approach as lame during a Tesla earnings call. Speaking on the Joe Rogan Experience podcast, Musk said of Buffett, "To be totally honest, I'm not his biggest fan, but he does a lot of capital allocation. He reads a lot of annual reports and accounting, and it's pretty boring, really." Do you think favorably or unfavorably of Tesla? Please share your thoughts with us by using the comment area below. Buffett or Musk has it better when it comes to EVs. There was recent buzz about Bide, the company funded by Berkshire Hathaway, surpassing its competitors and maybe beginning to provide rival Tesla with batteries. Elon Musk mocked the notion that China's Bide company was a real rival more than 10 years ago. It's possible that the roles have switched today. Now, Bide, financed by Warren Buffett, is poised to overtake Tesla Inc., its main competitor in China. Recently, Bide CEO stated that his company was getting ready to supply Tesla with batteries very soon. With this possible transaction, Bide would rise to prominence and scale as one of the biggest EV and battery makers globally. Some claim that it is a wise decision. Over the last 2 years, Bide has improved its game with a line of electric vehicles and more advanced lithium iron phosphate batteries, which has allowed it to seize market share throughout the world. By the end of 2022, the business hopes to have sold 1.5 million vehicles, putting it close to a third of the Chinese EV market. April saw Bide rise to the third largest car maker in the world by market value and place among the top producers of electric vehicles in the same month. It announced it was ceasing production of fuel combusting vehicles, a first for any manufacturer and sold nearly 46,000 EVs compared to Tesla's 1728. EV sales in May increased by 250% compared to the same month last year, despite a lockdown in Shanghai. Although the terms of Bide's agreement with Tesla are unclear at this time, it is expected that the Chinese business would provide Tesla with its blade battery novel approach to the long-standing lithium iron phosphate formula. Because of its greater efficiency in terms of area, energy density, and range, it has directed its attention towards this chemical rather of the nickel cobalt manganese variant employed by several peers. With the addition of a new cell to body structure, it is also safer. The manufacturer of EVs and batteries, on the other hand, has continuously introduced a range of vehicles as part of its vertically integrated business strategy and has been able to avoid supply chain problems because to its close relationships with suppliers. Bide has been making efforts to obtain materials such as lithium. Bide is pursuing Tesla's goals of producing batteries and securing resources at every stage of the supply chain. It has also already succeeded in achieving its competitors' aim of growing to be one of the largest BEV manufacturers globally. Musk's company is still looking at potential locations around the globe because it has struggled to get its proprietary 4,680 battery off the ground. That's accurate. But Bide is further ahead. Although its vehicles may not yet be as stylish as Tesla's, they are nevertheless selling. These days, Teslas also use their batteries. For Tesla, the priorities are keeping its vehicles charged and avoiding getting entangled in the China supply chain bottlenecks, particularly after a grueling lockout in Shanghai. Even though contemporary Amperex technology company, COTL, the largest battery manufacturer in the world, is one of its current partners, it makes sense for the company to diversify its supplier base. When comparing Musk and Buffett's performance in the S&P 500, Musk continues to have an advantage. With Buffett and Musk, you can't go wrong. For the previous one, 5 and 10 years, Tesla stock did better than Berkshire in every time frame. Almost the last year, Tesla's shares have increased by almost 70, outpacing Berkshire stock's 32.5% gain during the same period. As you go further back, Tesla's superiority becomes more pronounced. After 5 years of growth of 1778%, Tesla has surpassed the 107 increase of Berkshire at that period, and it's up 16,195% in 10 years, surpassing Berkshire's 325 increase. However, it's useful to compare Buffett's performance in its early years as a public business before dismissing his investment prowess as overblown. Following their restructuring debut on April 16, 1985, shares of Berkshire Hathaway surged 1206.4% in their first 10 years of trading, according to Global Market Intelligence, which tracks the company. In fact, that more than doubled the 464% rise that Tesla shares saw in their first 10 years of trading after the stock's initial trading day on June 29, 2020. Furthermore, Buffett's Berkshire stock is performing exactly as it should in many respects. The stock has now performed exactly as I had anticipated and wanted it to, massively outperforming during turbulent times when growth stocks are getting whacked. I said Empire Financial Research's Whitney Tilson. Buffett stated an automaker is as likely to fail in the insurance business as an insurer is likely to fail in making cars, and he expressed significantly greater concern for competitors like Progressive than for Tesla. It's not an easy business at all, remarks Warren Buffett. I could bet against any company in the auto business being any kind of unusual success. Not even Buffett and Berkshire's close ally. Christopher Bloomstrand, head of Semper Augustus Investments, is convinced about Tesla's insurance business. According to Bloomstrand, regulators will force Tesla's price down if it begins to make significant profits because the vehicle insurance market is competitive and its participants have narrow profit margins. The new oracle is Elon Musk. Renowned financier Warren Buffett, often known as the Oracle of Omaha, was previously given credit for this moniker, which comes with the respect of both Wall Street and Main Street. Please visit Tesla stock and view our other movies if you enjoyed this one.